Hey there and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered whether you can share your Smartsheet projects with someone who doesn't actually have a Smartsheet account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to quickly invite collaborators outside your organization or even folks who have never used Smartsheet before. This is especially useful if you're managing projects with clients, vendors, or partners who need access but aren't set up as Smartsheet users. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the area you want to share. You can either share an entire workspace or just a specific sheet. The sharing process is identical for both, so don't worry if you're sharing lots of items or just one. For today's example, I'm going to show you how to share a workspace, since that's often the scenario when you're collaborating with a group of people or managing a large project. If you ever need to share a single sheet instead, just select that sheet and follow these exact steps. Once you've opened the workspace you'd like to share, look for the Share button. It's usually at the top right or in the toolbar, and it only takes a click. This opens up the sharing panel, allowing you to invite people by their email address. Now, here's the important part. You don't need them to be existing Smartsheet users. Just type in the email address of whoever you want to invite. You can add as many people as you wish, and Smartsheet will send them an invitation that lets them access your workspace directly from their email inbox. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu on the right side of the panel next to each email address you're inviting. This is where you choose their access level. Smartsheet gives you several clear options: admin, editor, commenter, and viewer. Think about what role fits each person best. If you want them to make structural changes, admin or editor might be the right choice. If you just want input and feedback without data editing, go for commenter. And if someone only needs to see what's going on without making changes, viewer is the safest. Don't hesitate to pause here for a moment and consider the level of trust and responsibility you want to share. I always like to remind folks, you can come back and tweak these permissions at any time, so if you're unsure, start with less and expand later. Before you hit share, you'll notice there's an option to add a personal message. This is a thoughtful touch, and I really encourage you to use it. Write a quick note explaining what the invitation is, what the person should expect, or any specific instructions they might need to get started. For someone who's never used Smartsheet before, even saying, "This is access to our project plan, just open the link and you'll be guided through the rest," can make the process much smoother. Just imagine how much easier it is for your recipient to feel welcomed, rather than getting a generic invite with no context. Finally, click that Share button and you're done. Your invitees will receive an email with a link to the shared workspace. If they haven't used Smartsheet before, the platform will walk them through getting access with minimal hassle. You can always check back on the sharing panel later to see who has joined or adjust permissions if the project needs change. And that's all there is to it. Sharing Smartsheet with non-users is surprisingly easy and flexible, making collaboration smoother no matter who you're working with. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about Smartsheet or project sharing. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. I'll have more tips and tricks coming your way soon. Thanks for watching.